So what's up guys, today there's a fundraiser meet at the local high school. Me and my dad are gonna get our MR2s out and head up there, even though it's almost over. Oh, okay. Why don't you just go with us? So what are we doing, Dad? We're wiping it down before we start it up?
I'm just getting the dust off. Gotta look nice for my baby.
Yeah. But your shirt can be tucked in the front and untucked in the back.
It's called a French tuck. It's fancy.
Let me know if anybody's heard of that before.
doing the showcase.
Yep.
There's the one I like. It's always here at 50.
What up, y'all? So we made it. Got the MR2s next to each other. Lots of classic stuff, as you can see. There's even a GTR. Favorite?
I think I like the silver one over there. The silver and blue
paint
stripes.
with the paint job.
That one was cool.
Chevy.
Yeah.
Oh well, you'll see the footage. It had the blue iced out pinstripe in it. Was a white interior.
Yeah.
One original owner.
Really?
Yeah, that's what it said in the trunk. There's a little plaque. You'll see it on the footage.
Cool.
Which was your favorite?
Mom, what was your favorite?
Which was my favorite? I don't know. Probably the 50s. I'm partial to the 50s, so I always like the 50s, even if it was a Ford.
Even if it was a Ford. This is the right way to park.
One truck. Thank you.
So what did we get?
Black raspberry cheesecake.
With ice cream and a snow cap.
Definitely with the snow cap. They got the cheesecake snow cap.
You didn't just spoil your dinner?
We're gonna have Velveeta with Rotella.
We are. I turned it off a little bit.
Alright, so that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below. Got the cars parked next to each other. Mom's gonna hit my door.
The good looking one here is a 92 MR2.
Okay, so there you have this video. I fucked up. Okay, so there you have this video. That's the end of today's video. There you have it, everything for this video. This video is over now.